These are fresh, unripe Japanese plums, and they are the key ingredient to making umeshu, Japanese plum wine, which is more of a liqueur, a sweet and sour liqueur made by stewing these plums in alcohol and sugar for 1 year. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you everything you need to make it yourself, and I'm also going to show you the famous Flying Plum Tree.
Oh yeah!
Japanese plum is Fukuoka Prefecture's official flower, and look, it's the emblem on the flag. And Dazaifu Tenmangu, an important shrine south of Fukuoka City, also uses a plum as its symbol, and it's where you can see the famous Tobiume, or Flying Plum Tree. According to legend, the tree is said to have flown overnight from Kyoto in honor of Sugawara Michizane, the deity of Dazaifu Tenmangu Shrine. In the ritual, priests use 3.5-meter long bamboo poles to shake the plums off of the flying plum tree while maidens carefully pick them up. This year they gathered 668 of them. Later, the plums are dedicated to the deity and made into Tobiume Omamori, a good luck charm that is said to last a lifetime. There are over 6,000 plum trees on the shrine's grounds, and most of the plums are used to make umeboshi, but some are used to make umeshu. Let's learn how to make some too.
Making umeshu at home is really easy, and you can get everything you need at GooDay Home Centers. At this time of year, GooDay has a special section set up for those making umeshu and dried fruits. They got a wide variety of airtight jars in different sizes, and they also have the alcohol, 2 different kinds and in different sizes, and they have the rock sugar, very important ingredient. And for those who are making umeboshi, they have salt, they have baskets, and this very special super absorbent towel, baskets for hanging out to dry fruit, and a special tool to take out the pits from the plums. They've got everything you need.
Let's go over the ingredients. Plums, unripe and undamaged. 1 kilo for a 3-liter jar. These must be fresh, so they're only available from mid-May until the start of the rainy season. Rock sugar. It's a 2-to-1 ratio, so for 1 kilo of plums, you need 500 grams of rock sugar. Alcohol. Any kind of spirit will do, but the more neutral tasting ones like shochu, vodka, or gin work best. For a 3-liter jar, use about 1.8 liters of alcohol. You need an airtight jar, a very absorbent towel for drying the fruit, and a wooden pick to take the stems out. And these are optional, a bamboo colander for drying the plums by air, and this is a Sushi Oke, which I'll use for washing the fruit. The first step is to wash the plums well. Any contamination could ruin the flavor, and never use damaged fruit. Then, use a wooden pick to remove the stems. This gets easier with practice. Next, use a highly absorbent towel to dry the fruit completely. Dampen a towel with shochu and disinfect the inside of the jar. Gently place the plums into the jar to avoid bruising and layer with rock sugar. Now it's time to pour in the alcohol. Gently shake the jar to remove trapped air from between the plums. Then store the jar in a dark space and wait. Shake the jar every day or so for the first week and then once a month. After the 6th month, you can begin tasting it. Most people leave it for a year to even 3 years. You can stop the infusion at any time by removing the plums. Umeshu's great straight on the rocks, cut with soda. but be sure to eat the plums as well. The plums are delicious, but don't eat too many of them. You might have dreams of flying plum trees. Enjoy.